when I picked up a newspaper this morning. The headline's question, World in the Modern Era, Rising or Falling? What do you think regarding the world you all live in? Dear friends, what are your views regarding this modern era? Okay, so let me tell you, if I were at your place and I were to acknowledge the same, I would rather say, world in the modern era, a luxurious yet a haunting place to live in. All of us sitting here belong to the 21st century. We live in a world where it is just a click away to communicate with a friend sitting abroad. A world where we can travel to any corner of the world and all it takes is just an air ticket. We have surely progressed from a primitive world that treated women as inferior to the world, where she stands on equal footing with men. Long back, children lacked education facilities, but today we have equipped ourselves with smart classes and e-learning. A world where once our ancestors had to struggle to get the cure of even a common viral fever is now making its way towards providing affordable and accessible treatments to diseases like cancer. Who would have even thought that a world where once the skin color was used to discriminate people would witness a land of white Americans being ruled by the world's most influential African American leader, Barack Obama. We currently live in a world where the boundaries for trade are wide open, a world which is witnessing the integration of cultures and free flow of knowledge. If we go 200 years down the memory lane, who would have even dreamt of the advancements that we today experience in the field of science and technology? Name it and you have it. Smartphones, mobiles, computers, laptops, online giants, quick and portable transfers, driverless cars and whatnot. But as it is said that all that glitters is not gold. Just like a coin has two faces, this ever-developing world has a flip side too.